Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you're watching this video. I'm Mr. Godwin, the CAD master from Paradox Interiors and Design. A lot of people have been asking me a question, Mr. Godwin, we know that you are the CAD master, you are a professional interior designer, and expert for that matter. I say yes, what is the problem? So about 5 or 6 of them have been asking this question. Is it possible to have a lot of components in one bedroom? And I say yes. Your one bedroom can contain a lot of usable components like your bed, wardrobe, your work section, your TV console, and every other thing that you will be needed in the one room. It's possible. Some people say, it's not possible. How can you have your bed, your wardrobe, your TV console, your workspace in one bedroom? And I said, it is possible. Concerning one bedroom specs, and that is what I want to talk about using my CAD. And you want to set up your bedroom in a way that is going to be comfortable and visual appealing to you or to whoever that comes in. You need an expert into interior design field, not anyhow person that can give you that ideas. That is why you need an interior designer like me or every other persons out there. One thing that will makes you to need someone like me is because before the project begins, we give you the 3D preview, which is the 3D, the CAD design. So you will see how the design is going to look before the project begins. So I'll be using 300 by 360 to demonstrate this one bedroom design. And I will also be teaching this for those people who are into CAD design or who are into interior design. If you have not followed my channel on YouTube at Paradox Interior Design, please quickly go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be the first persons to see that video. I'm very glad that you are enjoying my channel. Please, whenever you finish watching this video, make sure you share the video. Please do well to share this video to others who might have interest in this particular lesson. And not just that, please also make sure to like this video and comment. Let me see your opinion. Okay, so this is your man, Mr. Godwin, the CAD master is at Paradox Interiors and Design, and we'll be teaching you so many things this time around. How you can use your view to render to have a good photorealistic image to present to your client. be showing you how you can design this. Yes, how you can design. You can see here, I have workspace. I have workspace. Also, we have my window, and it's not the workspace text is not affecting my window. You can see this, and I have right there. I have my AC, and right here I have the toilet space, which is the toilet door. And you can see here, I also have my TV console having mirror also. So this is very simple. I will help you to manage your space. I will help you to manage your space. And coming right there, you can see a beautiful wardrobe which I have designed for you. You know, everything works this way. Here you can install your book, and you have also here a drawer space where you can install other things you want to install. So here is where you hang your clothes. Here is where you hang your clothes, and you can as well put your shoes here or any other thing you want to put. You might also want me to remove this door here, so you also have your shoe. If you are someone that is in love of shoe, I can do that, removing this door, and you also have your shoe. But here is where you have your clothes. Then you come here. This area is where you have your work. You see what I did? And you also have your bed here. This bed can usually contain 2 people. This bed can contain 2 people. Okay. So here is we have frame, and here is the entrance door. So this I'm going to show you how I design this 1-bedroom space using my card. And in reality, I can also do that. If you need my service, you know what to do. You contact me. I will also be dropping my number so that you can contact me easily. I'm Mr. Godwin, the card master. See you. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow my page. And also share this video to those that it will and please share this video to those that might be interested in learning CAD or maybe having the knowledge of designing with system. And also make sure you like and comment. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.